everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Proton Mail as a custom domain email. You want to use your own domain with Proton Mail? Well, you can get Proton's legendary security but with your own custom domain like you@yourname.com. Get had set it up forever. But there are two things you need. First of all, these are the prerequisites, and they are: 1, a Proton Mail plan that supports custom domains. That's any paid plan like Proton Plus, Business, or Family. And a domain name you've purchased from a registrar like Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Cloudflare. Once you have these two, then you get to the next step, which is a simple process. So after logging into your Proton account online, then you tap on the three lines at the top left corner, tap on your email address, and tap on settings. We want to go to domain names. So once you're here, you take it to your dashboard first of all, and then you tap on the three lines again at the top, and at the bottom here you see domain names down here. Tap on it. Now remember earlier I said you must have a paid plan. So as you can see, I do not have a paid plan, so I'm not allowed. I'll have to upgrade if I want to get domain name. You can see, so you have to upgrade for individual, families, or business. So you definitely have to upgrade. So you must have a paid plan. But in case you do have a paid plan, let me tell you what to do. So once you click on add new domain, follow the simple verification steps to prove you own the domain. Proton will then give you the specific DNS records you need to add. And the next thing, you go to your domain registrar website, find your DNS settings and paste it in those records. This connects your domain to Proton secure mail servers. And you're done. You now have ultra secure encrypted email with your own professional brand. Your identity is protected and your communications are yours alone. Your domain, your privacy on Proton. Hope you found this video helpful.